In this lesson, we are looking at graphing inequalities from word phrases. Number one, all numbers less than or equal to -6. The first step is to identify the inequality you're going to be using, less than or equal to. Then write out your number sentence. All numbers n are less than or equal to -6. Place your numbers on the number line. Then decide if you're using an open or closed circle. In this case, we have an equal sign included with less than, so we're going to put a closed circle on -6. Then, since it's less than, our arrow should be going to the left. All numbers greater than 14. Identify your inequality as greater than. N is greater than 14. So we need to put our numbers on our number line. Since it's just greater than without an equal sign, the number 14 is not included, so we're going to use an open circle. And greater than is going to the right. All numbers less than -3. N less than -3. The less than tells us which inequality you use. Put the numbers on the number line. Since there's no equal to, -3 is not included in the solution set, so we use an open circle. Less than goes to the left, so -6, -5, -4, and every other number to the left is part of our solution set. All numbers greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to is our inequality, and is greater than or equal to 0. We will use a closed circle on our 0 because 0 is included in part of the number set. Greater than goes to the right, so everything 0 and larger is a solution for this inequality.